Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday and I'm really hyped because I literally finished my cup of coffee, and while I was doing my makeup I'm watching Mama Ann, her vlog, shopping sa H&M yun. So anyways, I will show you, I'm gonna do a haul a little haul from Victoria's Secret because my husband and I went on a date last night. We went to the mall and we ran errands first. We were like out and about for like 4 hours for this errands, and then after that we stopped by at the mall because we were in the city. So we went there and he got me some Victoria's Secret, and also I will be showing you what I got from Target as well. Like last 2 days I got this one like Friday. So anyway, without further ado, hold on, let me put you guys in my tripod. Okay guys, so I only got 2 stuff over there because we were rushing and it was like already late, like it was like 7 p.m. So anyways, I got this underwear, I mean thong, not underwear, gray thong, and it's, my size is medium, and this cost $10.50 right there. And then this one is like very cute, like it's laced but there's like a garter. I don't know if you can't barely see because it's white, but yeah, this one right here, and it's the same price. It's also $10.50 right there. I prefer wearing thongs. I don't know, I'm just like used to wearing thongs than a regular underwear. I only wear underwear if I'm here in the house, like around the house. Like 99.9% out of the time I wear like all of my stuff is thong, not underwear. Okay, yeah, I love wearing thong. They're just like the most comfortable thing, just for me. That's like, you know, just me. Second one is the one I got from Target. This was on sale. The original price is $19.99, but it was on sale for $9.98. and yeah, this is just some basic black, I don't know, you call it sandal or something like this. It's for like everyday thing right there. And the name of this, well, the style is Winona, and my size is sometimes 7.5, sometimes 7. It really depends if like I'm wearing a boots, high heels, or sandals like this. So yeah, this is what I got also from Target. And anyway guys, I'm gonna meet my coworker because I'm gonna give her some of my makeup. I'm trying to get rid of, not all of my makeup, but some of my makeup that I haven't used, or like brand new makeup that, you know, I'm probably not gonna use. So I'm giving some of it to her. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And also I'm gonna go to the grocery store later on, and also Target, because I'm gonna look for prescription over there again, because I'm really indecisive when it comes to like my glasses. I don't want a big glasses anymore because it's kind of like covered all my face. So I'm gonna let you guys come with me today. So yeah, my husband is sleeping because he has to go to work tonight. I have to go to work tomorrow, so that's why. And also, yeah, like I said, we went out on a date yesterday and it was fun. Sometimes we do like this date every weekend or every other weekend and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see. Hi guys, so I'm at the car already, and look at this. This is a bunch of makeup that I will be giving, and I'm really happy because finally somebody's gonna, you know, use the makeup. So yeah, I'm just really happy. And I'm going to Target and also Walmart today because kind of like grocery shopping a little bit. Last night we also stopped at a grocery store just to get some few stuff, and then yeah, we're gonna go to Target as well because like I said earlier, I'm gonna try to find like a pair of new prescription glasses for me. Speaking of prescription glasses, I forgot my glasses. I can't drive without them because I'm blind. So anyway guys, let me just pick my glasses up and then I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I stopped here first at Marshall's because I totally forgot that I do have a 10% certificate. That means like 10% off. So yeah, I'm gonna use it today. It's not gonna expire until like 2021, but I will be using the certificate today, so that's good. And yeah, the bag that I'm using today is the Kate Spade bag right here. Very cute, very cute. And anyway, you guys, the thing about I love this bag is like I can fit my tripod in here, so I can, like, if I vlog and then, you know, I have my tripod with me right here. So this is what's inside my bag. So the tripod, I know it's so big right there, and then of course my card holder from Louis Vuitton right there. It's so light, but anyway. And I got like my AirPods here, my charger, let's see, my power bank, my car key, and let's see, my Maybelline lipstick, and also what else do we got here? Yeah, alcohol, yeah. And then of course so that fits actually a lot. This bag fits like a lot, but that's the only stuff that, you know, I need for today. So anyways, I'm just gonna put this tripod back here, and I still have a lot of rooms in this bag, you guys. Like, this bag is like, I'm really happy that I purchased this bag. Anyways, I'm gonna, let's see, do I have an extra? So, oh, by the way, I already give the makeup to my coworker, and yeah, I'm really happy about it. So yes, guys, look at this notebook. Oh my god, this is so mean. And it's $4.99, $5 at Marshall's. Should I get it? It's so glittery. Okay guys, so I think I'm just gonna get these. It says with God all things are possible, and it's a journal notebook, and it's only $5 to like $4.99. And look what I found. It's like a black silver. That's so cute. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I might get this one. Hey guys, so by the way, this is my fit for today. This is from Marshall's, and this top is maybe Forever or H&M. I feel like H&M, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's like very floral. It's still really hot, that's why I can still wear this outfit. But yeah, this is great. I'm gonna try this on, this olive green dress, and it's like, it's $19, so we shall see. Okay, here's the dress, you guys. The only thing I hate about this dress is it doesn't have a pocket. I hate dresses without pockets. I don't know if it's just me, but it looks cute. So this is it. I think I can probably like style it up like this. What do you guys think? Ooh. This is actually cute. Not bad. Because if you like this, it's so boring. But when you like style it like this, like, oh, it's better. I don't know. I'm thinking about getting it or not getting it. I mean, it's very flowy too. I don't know. Hi guys. So I didn't get the dress because I was trying to tie it in the middle, but I was like struggling to tie it. So I'm just like, all right, fuck it. I'm not gonna get that dress. But instead I got the journal, which only costs $4.99, and oh my god, this is so cute. And I also got a brush organizer right here because I have so many brush that some of the brush, it's not even on the organizer anymore, it's like just laying down. So I got this one, so cute, like eyelashes. Yeah, so there's two what is it, compartments. So yeah, this is actually $5.99, and I only paid $1.64 because, like I said, I have the $10 off for the certificate. If you're like member, if you have like a TJ Maxx / like Marshall's credit card, then after you keep purchasing, then you'll gain certain points, and then you'll have a certificate, something like that. It works like that. So yeah, I only paid $1.64 because, like I said, I have a $10 off. And then next we're going to Target, you guys. We're going to Target, and then also we're going to Walmart because my husband wants this like pasta, this bird's eye pasta. So I'm gonna get that, and I'm also gonna get some beef because I will be making beef burrito for like my food. And then I think, yeah, I'm also gonna get some, let's see, 93% ground beef. So yeah, that's that. So, and also, like I said, for my eyeglasses, I'm gonna ask the lady over there if, because like I said, I have my insurance, so I'm gonna ask them if I gotta schedule an appointment for an eye exam. So anyways, let's go because it's already late, like 3:34 p.m. And yeah, I'll see you guys in Target. Guys, I'm at Target. They're having a 30% to 70% off clearance, and I got my sandals here, the one that I showed you guys earlier. Oh my god, I have the nude one, and it's 7.5 too. Oh my god. So, oh my god, I literally just got these, and I don't know about this one. This is cute though. They're like, yeah, $9.98, same price. This is cute, guys. So I think I'm just gonna get a paper bag. My husband's birthday is next week, and I already got him a gift. So I think I'm just gonna get these and put the gift inside here. And I already bought him like a greeting card. So yeah, I think that would be good because it's like $1.50. So let's see if we can find those paper thing. Where could that be? Ooh, how about this one? This is cute too. Alright, so I was in the wrong aisle, but this is all the paper for birthday gift. Let's see. That one's cute. Hey guys, so I'm here at the grocery section of Target, and they do have quinoa. Look what I got. I got the bird's eye vegetable pasta. I heard this is really good. So I got three different. I got mac and cheese, rotini marina, and the panini with cheddar cheese sauce. And also gonna get these milk frother for, it's like $6.99. Really excited to use this. Also getting some ramen noodles, you guys, chicken flavor for 25 cents. I'm gonna get 4, and then 4 beef. Guys, I'm off to Walmart. Hi loves. So okay, I'm gonna go to Walmart real quick so I can get the beef and ground beef. I prefer buying it at Walmart. So anyways, where's my phone? Let's go, because it's already late, plus I still have to cook dinner for us. I only got the vegetable pasta, frozen vegetable pasta, you guys. Let me just vegetable pasta, and they're like $3 or something. Yeah, $3.19. Yeah, $3.19. This is the bird's eye veggie made 100% vegetable pasta. This is not like your regular pasta. It's made out of vegetable, so you can't wait to try that out. So yeah, let's go to Walmart. Hey guys, so I didn't vlog inside Walmart because, like I said, it's way too packed over there to be vlogging, and I'm not comfortable vlogging inside Walmart. So I'm just gonna show you what I got later on, but I'm on my way home now so I can cook the food. And also I will be making mango float. I'm really excited. So Oh, and guys, I already set an appointment for next Friday for my eye exam, so I can have a new pair of glasses, and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's go home because I'm gonna cook and make some mango float, and I'll just gonna do a grocery haul later over there. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I'm finally home, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Walmart and Target. So to start, this is Marshall's. You guys already seen it earlier. Let's see. All right, from Target. Okay, yeah, so I got the, of course, Huggies. I always buy this one because I have to have this because I prefer this using a regular toilet paper. It's just me. Yeah, this is the natural Huggies Care, and this is for sensitive skin down there. And also this is the milk frother. I've been wanting to get my hands off this because if you guys know me, I love milk. I love coffee, and any coffee is just like to die for. And when I went there, I was trying to find a mocha for the coffee that my friend Viola gave me, but they sold out. Like, I'm so mad. Like, they sold out. Like, why? So now I might just wait, or I might just order it online because it's only like $22 or $23, I believe. So if you don't know what mocha, I'm just gonna put it here. It's kind of like a coffee thing to use for your espresso, I think. So anyways, this is $6.99, I believe. Yeah, $6.99. This one, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So right there, and you froth the milk. I think I have to put a battery on it. I'll just probably read the instructions later. So yeah, that's that right there. And from Walmart, I got some, well, this is not for me, but I bought some Hormel chili. This is a white chicken chili with beans. I got 3. My husband asked for this one right here. And then I also got just a little bit of carnation. I do have the big one. Like I said, I'm gonna make a mango float, so that's the additional for that. And then you've seen this already earlier, this 100% vegetable pasta. I got 3 different pasta. I got the panini, I got the mac and cheese, and also the panini with cheddar sauce. And then from Walmart, I also got lean ground beef. This is the 93% lean and 7% fat ground beef. Can you guys see me right there? And then this one is beef stew, and it's also lean right there. This is $7.24. This one is, the ground beef is, let's see, how much is the ground beef? $10.12. And then the Hormel chili is $2.23. Okay, last one from Target is just a bunch of noodles, you guys. This is beef ramen noodles and chicken ramen noodles, and I also got some cumin right here, ground cumin, to mix it with my beef later. So yeah, that's basically it, you guys, and I'm gonna put this away so it's not gonna go bad. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Let me just put this in the fridge. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna eat real quick. I have the leftover from yesterday when we went to the Sakura, and I got a fried rice with calamari, and then it's really good. She gave me this like yum yum sauce, and I never tried it before, and this is really good if you mix it with the fried rice. So I'm just gonna eat I'm just gonna eat like early dinner because I haven't ate. I I didn't even eat lunch, you guys, to be honest with you. I didn't eat lunch and breakfast, so let me just eat real quick and then I will talk to you guys later. Guys, so I literally just got done cooking my food and my husband's food, and I also made the mango float. It's I can't wait to try it. It's currently in the fridge right now. So yeah, and I'm gonna take this makeup off because it's already like, it's been like a while that I had this makeup off. So okay, I'm trying to wash my brushes, but I don't know if I want to do it today or maybe after work tomorrow, because look at this. Remember this at the Marshalls? So I'm still have to rearrange my table, you guys. I have like this random lashes right here from Shop Away. So anyways, enough of that. So yeah, I'm gonna put, I don't know what brushes I'm gonna put here. Maybe like my everyday essential brushes, because I still have to like clean them. I mean, not clean, but wash them. And also my sponges, like I got this sponge at Marshalls. There's like the Real Techniques one, and I got 4 brand new what do you call this, sponges. Okay, anywho, yeah, so I feel like I'm gonna put the everyday brushes in here and like the large brushes in the side, because it wouldn't fit in here, because I have these 2 small brushes from Shop Miss A, I think, or the, yeah, AOA Studio. Anyways, yeah, I still have to organize my table because it's looking like trash right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog right here because I have nothing to do and I need a shower. I have to take a bath because I have to work tomorrow and it's already 8:35. So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and I know it might be like a little short vlog, but don't worry, I have a lot of plans for next week. I have a lot of great content or videos for you guys next week, and I can't wait to show it, to share it to you guys. So anyways, make sure to like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe as well if you haven't already. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.